Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Gemini, May 21 to June 20. Today is Friday, May 31, 2024. Our horoscope for today revolves around that word that we mean to have to be or always, that is magnanimity. I came to know about this word because what we're experiencing in life is something like a mixture of sadness and happiness, and we're not contented in life. Sometimes life gives us headache, gives us problems, gives us challenges, in which when we are into it, we do not accept them. We do not accept them deliberately because we hate to be. For example, you hate to be poor, you hate to be in the other side of the road. So that's why aesthetics nowadays are earning millions. But when you become magnanimous in life, you are forever contented. You just accept what you have. You just accept that you are. So ang haring pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito ay may kinalaman sa nararamdaman natin sa buhay natin. At dumating na nga ang punto ngayong araw na ito na mararamdaman na ninyo yung tinatawag na magnanimous. Parang walang problema. Parang ang lahat ay kontento. Basta maluwag mong tinanggap sa buhay mo na ikaw ay mahirap, na ikaw ay walang itsura. Maluwag. Hindi ka namang problema tungkol doon. Hindi mo nga pinapansin yun. Kaya ang tawag dyan ay magnanimous or magnanimity. Dahil nga nakatranscend ka na sa mga problema o sa mga nakikita mong nagaganap sa buhay-buhay mo.